Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to go through the trade with you on this ninth day of January 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here is the example from today. Now, the market slowed down considerably after a really big move up, but nonetheless, we got our old friend, the strong candle indicator, saying take this particular green candle up towards the top of the screen, and that's what we're going to do. Just need this to push back a little bit and give me a little bit of a retrace. We'll sit this up on the body of the candle and take it up to the R2. Now, the PVI, expect the next candle to be around 40 ticks in length. So we're going to use a smaller ATM today. We're going to go for 11s, 20s, and 41s. We'll de-risk the trade after 11 and see if we can't catch it all the way up here to the R2. So this is how it went down in the live trading room today. And we'll leave it at one time market speed until we get into the trade. Just put a cover order on. Let's let that just push down a little bit. I don't think the cover order got hit. So let's just see. We just need a little see a little bit of red. There we go. Stop is pretty much where it needs to be. So we got a 40 tick stop. And then we'll go ahead and we will speed it up a bit. Now we will de-risk the trade once the first targets are out. And then we'll grab another buy order. So let's just see how we went out. We haven't gotten our first targets hit yet. And now it's been hit. So we de-risked the trade completely. The first two targets are out now. And we're going for our runner up to 40 ticks. Let's see how that goes. And boom, that happened very, very quickly. That trade took less than 2 minutes to complete and was worth 420 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 420 US dollars in less than 2 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room very, very soon. So God bless you. We'll see you then.